Hello, all, and welcome to our channel. So, this is the first video for this data structures and algorithms using C++. Of course, you have a lot of confusion about C++ and data structures and algorithm. Is it hard? No, it's not hard. And what about the programming language? So, maybe you might be in your third year of your engineering, or you might be in your first year of your college degree, whether if you are doing a conventional 3 years course or a professional 4 years course like BTech, maybe BSc, or maybe from any different background. It's not about which background you came from. It's all about like how you try to understand. But um, I know some people might easy to learn this course, but most people who are new to colleges, they don't understand the terminologies of uh, these all big tech terms, right? But eventually, I try to put this course as simple as possible with simple English words because this will helps for everyone, and the pace of my teaching speed is also slow because it helps to understand each and every word uh, to the students, I think. Okay, so and I just want to mention you that in this video I just want to introduce you the syllabus and the prerequisites um, before getting into the actual course. So first, you have to make sure that uh, you have a laptop or a computer. I know you I know you already have a computer or a laptop at your home or at your desk or in your college or in your school. But make sure you have a laptop, first thing. And second thing is make sure you maintain a GitHub account. I'm not saying you to uh, push the code everything, because you have to learn GitHub in this modern days. But if you're a beginner in your college, maybe if you're in the first year of your college or third year of your college, try to use the GitHub account and try to post your work on GitHub. Try to make a repository of day-to-day work. Try to post your code, C++ codes there, and try to post your DSA work um, in GitHub. It is easy to refer your codes. Okay. And second thing is make sure you have installed a C++ in your computer, because most people come from different system backgrounds. I mean, like different system configurations. Like some people might have Windows, some people might come with Mac, some people use Linux as their base operating system. It's up to you. But one thing is, I'm not gonna show you how to install all the shit. Okay? Sorry for the language, but if you want to know how to install in Windows or Mac or Linux, just go to YouTube or ask ChatGPT or try to Google it. Um, you will get to know. Let's say, uh, if I want to install C++ in my computer, just I go to YouTube. Just pick your operating system and click enter. You're going to have a lot of suggestions here. Okay, so you have a lot of suggestions. You can try these videos. You can try this channel. I think my recommendation is to this channel to install C++ in your operating system. Okay, so after that, now let's get into the actual one. So in the actual one, we gonna learn what is the actual syllabus. So first thing is, this course has been divided into 6 parts. So the first part is foundation part, which is a mandatory thing. If you didn't learn the mandatory course of this entire DSA, it's okay. But if you learn this prerequisite. It's easy to work with part 2. If you learn part 2, it's easy to work with part 3 and everything, and the rest of the things also. Okay, but make sure you have to learn the part 1. Okay, so in the part 1 we learn some basics and stuff. You're going to have 3 different videos. Like in the basics section, you're gonna learn some variables, loops, functions, recursion and time and space complexity kind of stuff. And in oops you're gonna learn objects, classes and constructors, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, all this kind of stuff. Okay, and in the third video you're gonna learn standard template library, which is a very important video. So in this video you're gonna explore some predefined libraries that are there in C++. So likewise we're gonna work with every part. Like in the part 1 you are getting 3 different videos. After completing these 3 different videos, we're gonna explore everything in C++, and then we're gonna move to data structures. Like we're gonna move to code data structures like arrays, string, linked list, stack, queues, BSTs, hashing, heaps and everything, and then the algorithms, and then the advanced data structures and algorithms like graph theory, dynamic programming, and some advanced trees and stuff. Okay, and in the part 5 you're going to learn some system design basics, and I mean, like, you're going to learn some basics. It's all about theoretical stuff. uh, okay, so which means you can learn some how the client server model works, and how the load balancing works, and how the database actually works using this thing in the system design basics. And then you're going to learn some mathematics for data structural algorithms. Of course we're going to use these things in this part 1, 2, 3 for the example purpose also. Okay, don't think this is a heavy syllabus. It's a very short syllabus. I mean, like, this is the entire DSA syllabus, I think, we're gonna cover. Okay, I hope you like this video. And okay, I just forgot to tell you, like, in maths for DSA you're gonna cover the number theory and fast exponential and combinatorics. I mean, like, we are not going to teach advanced level maths, but I try to teach some basic stuff which is you can utilize for data structures and algorithms, and for the dynamic programming, for all the stuff. Okay. Ah, yeah, I hope you like this video. Of course, some people might think this is a kind of a boring kind of stuff. Of course, yeah, it's a little bit boring, but if you are interested um with me, if you match with my vibe, yeah, try to complete the course with me. And if you have any doubts, try to ask them in the comments. I try to reply them, and as much as I can. Okay, and subscribe to this channel, and click on the like button and share this with your friends.